The thing about when you're making a batter is you want to kind of just put all the ingredients in, and you don't, you know, some people whisk their batter.
No, you can't. It'll get tough.
It'll get tough and all the air will leave. So we want to leave all that air in there and let it develop. Again, you know, you have, so there's like yeast in here, it's alive. So when you add the beer to it, it's going to start to bubble. And you just want to let it do its thing for about 20 minutes. So we're going to do that first.
Okay.
All right.
So flour is in here already. Yeast is in here already.
No,
Just
beer,
flour.
the natural yeast
The beer.
that's in the
Okay,
beer. Yeah.
gotcha.
So what we're going to do is going to season it up, right? Because you want the flour to taste great.
Mm-hmm.
Put some cayenne in there. Some five
What kind of flour are you actually using for this?
Just AP flour. I mean, if you have rice flour sometimes, rice flour fries really well.
That smells really good.
Doesn't it smell good? So you want to be aggressive with your seasoning. So now mixed up, you want to get in there? You want me to get in there? I'll get in there.
Oh,
so we're gonna
sorry.
mix it around. You gotta taste your flour.
I'm ready to pour the beer in.
You're really, you pop that beer open, you're ready to go already. So, all right, so a little paprika, some more seasoning. What I'm looking for here specifically is color. I want the color to change from white to...
It smells good.
Yeah, it smells good, right? So we're doing business here, so I'm gonna add a little bit more pepper. Now slowly pour some beer in.
Okay. Oh, jeez.
Ooh. A little for the homies. All right, you want to pour a little bit more in there? So what we're gonna do is just take note. We're gonna be very gentle here. See how gentle I am?
Easy does it.
All right, put a little bit more in. Perfect. You're really good at this. Really.
I can pour stuff.
You can pour stuff. All right, a little bit more. Go ahead. And then for an extra added crispiness, we're gonna add some bubbles in there, some water that's carbonated. It's gonna really fry up the onions nice and crispy. So we're gonna put that around there. Mix it in a little bit, just like that. Okay, now again, you don't want to be too aggressive.
You definitely have color going on here.
I have color. See all the air bubbles that are developing in here?
Yep, that's what you want, right?
That's what you want. Now, it's a little thick and clumpy, so we're gonna add a little bit more liquid. Go ahead. Okay, so this batter is looking really great. We're dipping the onions in here.
Ooh.
Doesn't that look great? Turn them around here a little bit. All right. So again, you know.
How long do they take?
They take a little bit. It just depends on what kind of oil you're using, which is really important. If you're using a vegetable oil or peanut oil, those have a little bit higher smoking point. I'm using an olive oil right now, which it doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna have to leave them in for a little bit longer. All right, look at these. Nice and crispy.
Oh, they're gorgeous.
They're great, right?